What is it?
Superb.
Just like you. Ingredients. Today, son, we are making a strawberry cheesecake.
Yes!
It's a very simple, gorgeous recipe. Can be refrigerated so that you can even have it like nice and cold. You could even freeze it if you want to and have it almost semi-frozen.
That sounds good.
Right?
Yeah.
And it's sweet, it's gorgeous, it's got the strawberries inside.
Alright.
Does it smell good?
Yes.
Good. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a strawberry cheesecake. It's gonna be easy, quick, kind of, because it's a cheesecake. Needs some time, but it's gorgeous, and you can put it in the fridge for a few days and have it over the course of the week, as you please.
Can I get a knife too?
1 second.
Okay, I'll let you do it.
Now we're gonna melt the butter.
This is exciting. These look really good. Are they like at the bottom or like how does it, like is it the bottom of the cheesecake?
So yes.
Do we crumble it up?
We're gonna crumble the cookies.
Okay.
Where the cookie crumbles.
Okay.
Let's put the cookies in here, son. Nice. Well done. The butter goes in. So we're gonna use a spring cake pan.
Okay.
See spring?
Yeah.
Okay, you hold on to this. We're gonna put a little parchment paper. Gonna go like that. So spring it close. Completely flat parchment paper. Now we get rid of this extra. Wow, you're really good at this.
Thank you.
Proud of you. Now we're putting the cookies that have been crumbled in. You see, you can use any flat surface.
The flatter the better.
The flatter, the better. What do you think of cheesecakes? Who do you think invented cheesecakes?
Cheesecake man.
Yeah, but why? Can you imagine the first person that
Yeah,
invented
how do you even
this?
like think about that?
Yeah, how does someone come up with a cheesecake?
And what is cheese about it? Just the cheese?
Yeah, we basically use cream cheese
Oh yeah.
in the mixture, and we're going to make it strawberry flavored. So a sugary, strawberry flavored layer of cream cheese on top. Then it's cooled down.
The cheese is mixed with the strawberry.
Yep.
Oh, okay. I thought you would do like strawberry for like a layer of strawberry.
You
ones.
could.
Will it be
It's-
like pink then?
It's
Or cheese?
pink.
That's cool.
Who do you think could benefit from a cheesecake? Do you think like, teenagers love cheesecake?
I think a lot of teenagers love cheesecake. I think everybody, I mean like to a certain degree loves cheesecake. Like I love cheesecake.
Right? Gabby, people ask me all the time, do you speak Italian? So tell them where you were born.
So I was born in Rome and I'm actually fluent in over 10 languages.
Good job, son.
But I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna tell you that I can speak them and I'm gonna like just stay quiet.
How do you define yourself? Like, if you were to present yourself to an audience, like, who are you? What do you stand for? What are your beliefs?
Well, I identify as the pasta queen's son and I think I'm the greatest son ever.
You're my only son. But when you used to have long hair and we used to do group pictures with your
terrible.
3 sisters, you basically look like a
Fourth
fourth
sister.
sister because of your gorgeous flowing locks
Terrible.
of curls that you got from your grandfather, who's a very southern Italian, thick, coarse, dark hair. You're the only one who's the most Mediterranean looking of all.
It was a bit too long though, And I kept it too long for too long.
For too long, it was too long.
Like it was like
But did you notice that the long hair was creating and more opportunities for you? I'm interested. Do you notice your friends liked it better?
I mean, it was
Girls
just
liked it better?
no, I think people just thought I was a girl sometimes. I mean, I definitely prefer shorter hair, medium
It's
like.
like a medium Italian gorge. You see how I take the spoon and I go really at the edges. Now remember, this is made at home. It's supposed to be a little bit rough, a little bit flawed, just like us, Gabby. Gabby, put this in the fridge while we make the rest.
Okay.
This is a simple strawberry syrup.
Yes.
You know how it is made? Like it is the same concept of making jam. The berry, which in this case is a strawberry. But you can do this with raspberry, blueberries, mulberries,
Superberries.
gooseberries, cranberries.
Cranberries. For the winter time, for the holiday season.
Ooh. In this case, strawberries, sugar, and lemon. Powdered sugar. I want you to squeeze the life out of the lemon. Aspetta. Like
You told me to squeeze the life out of it. It's looking good, dude.
Dude, are you American? Yeah, I think you squeezed everything possibly out of it. So once we actually smooth and blend the strawberries that have been gently cooked with lemon and sugar, what you want to do is a smooth finish that gets mixed with the cream cheese so that when you bite into that cheesecake, imagine.
I'm imagining.
Now the next step while the strawberries get going is gently whipping the heavy cream. But we're going to go halfway to the full whip. Whipping it up. That's perfect, son.
Alright.
Now I want you to really have a look at this gorgeous strawberry. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's very red.
Yeah,
And
but
cool,
it's
yeah.
syrupy. It's the reaction of the berries and the sugar and the lemon. It creates this jam, almost gelatin-like.
I can't believe it can get that red though.
But
without
smell
any-
it. Doesn't it smell like jam?
Yeah.
We're done. It's not.
Oh, that's really good.
We let it cool down to the side for just a few minutes. We're gonna give it one last final whisk with powdered sugar. The heavy cream has been whipped with the sugar, we set it aside. Now the cream cheese. Sugar in the cream cheese and we whisk. Everything with sugar makes it sweeter, more manageable. You know, sweetness makes everything better as opposed to sourness. You know, there's no need to be sour when you can be sweet. Cream goes in and the cream cheese. Now, son, we're going to prepare a little gelatin. It makes the whole cheesecake stick together flawlessly.
Makes sense.
Gelatin powder with some water. Okay, we're gonna cook a little bit on a low flame. This little base of gelatin with a splash of milk. So we cook it just for a couple of minutes until it completely melts and becomes smooth.
Is there a reason we put milk?
Just as an extra liquid to develop the gelatin. You could put water, you could put a splash of milk. It's still gonna come out perfectly. Now we're making a cheesecake, so I added a little bit of milk. The concept is really like making it flawlessly perfect. Because the gelatin is kind of like shiny, smooth, and also sticky. It sticks it even more.
Yeah.
Now we add the gelatin. Gentle, eh? Now let's blend the strawberry before they go in. Okay, so once it's perfect, just like this, and just like you and I, it goes in the fridge for 4 hours or in the freezer for 2 before serving.
Thank you.
With a butter knife, we're going around it. Now we're gonna decorate. Now we're gonna bring it to the table. Now we're gonna impress everybody. Beep. Perfect. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Okay, son, you're gonna have it.
Thank you very much.
Now, what I want you to do, we're in the royal court of pasta here. We're making this gorgeous strawberry cheesecake. I want you to close your eyes right after you take a bite. That's a big bite. Did you not have dinner last night? Okay, I want you to close your eyes. Gentle, gentle. Tell me, what does it make you feel like? This strawberry cheesecake. Is it love? Is it friendship?
Makes me feel like I'm floating in the world for the pasta.
No, honestly.
Well, it's just like it's very.
Is it homey? Is it like mommy?
It's very.
Is it like grandmother kind of style? Is it fuzzy inside and warm and fuzzy?
It's very soft. The texture is very, very good. Like it's
Right?
like perfect for cheesecake.
Do you like the texture? Like, is it fresh? Do you like it that it's cold?
It's perfect. Yeah, texture's great.
See you next week.